Hello everyone, this is Pragati. I'm studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering in 4th SEM Information Science and Engineering. Today's topic is structure and function of plant cell. Plant cells. Plant cells are eukaryotic cells with a true nucleus along with specialized cells wall and other structure called organelles that carries out certain specific functions. The plant cell is rectangular and comparatively larger than the animal cell. Plant and animal cells are eukaryotic and share a few cell organelles. They have various cell organelles such as cell wall, cell membrane, chloroplast, vasculars, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, and etc. Functions of a plant cells. Plant cells are the building blocks of the plants. Photosynthesis is the major functions performed by a plant cell. Photosynthesis occurs in the chloroplast of the plant cell. It is the process of preparing food by the plants by utilizing sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water. Energy is produced in the form of ATP in the process. A few plant cells helps in the transport of water and nutrients for the roots and leaves to different part of the plants. Structure of a plant cells. The plant cells is just like a human and other living organisms, but some different from human cells and animal cell. In this presentation, I'm going to explain about the structure of a plant cells and the various parts of the plant cells. And now let me see the various parts of the plant cells. And this is the main parts of the plant cells: cytoplasm, nucleus, cell membrane, cell wall, chromosomes, plasmodesmata, and last one, cytoskeleton. Cytoplasm, the jelly-like substance present between the cell membranes and nucleus, is known as the cytoplasm. Various other components or organelles of cells are present in the cytoplasm. These are mitochondria, Golgi bodies, ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulation, lysosomes, vasculars, etc. The cytoplasm is about 80% water and usually colorless. Consider a human. For example, consider a human liver cell. The cytoplasm of the cells contain numerous mitochondria which are responsible for producing energy. The Golgi bodies in the cytoplasm modifies and package proteins. While ribosomes are individuals in protein synthesis, the endoplasmic reticulum helps in the synthesis of lipids and proteins. Lysosomes contain digestive enzyme to break down the waste materials. Vasculars in the liver cells store nutrients and products and maintain the cell internal environment. Nucleus. Membrane enclosed organelle in eukaryotic cell, generally spherical and located in the center of the cell. Chromosomes are thread-like structures within the nucleus, carries genes which are units of the inheritance. Functions of the nucleus: maintains the integrity of the genes, controls cell activities by regulating gene expression, acts as a control center of the cell. And next, the main structure of the nucleus are nuclear envelope, nuclear pore, and nucleolus. Nuclear envelope: double membranes that enclose the nucleus and isolate nuclear contents from the cytoplasma, and the nuclear pore regulate transport of molecules across the nuclear envelope. Nucleolus: smallest spherical body within the nucleus. This is the structure of the nucleus. These are the main parts of the nucleus. These are nuclear envelope, nuclear pore, and nucleolus. Cell membrane includes the cytoplasm nucleus of the other parts of the cell, separates the cell from other cells and the surrounding medium. Structure of the cell membranes allows movement of substance or materials both inwards and backwards, and the functions of the cell membranes are acts as a barrier maintaining the integrity of the cell, regulates the exchange of materials between the cell and its environment. In the diagram, yellow outline represents the cell membrane. Cell wall, though flexible and sometimes regard layer surrounding plant cells, and the cell wall surrounds the cell membrane. The functions of the cell walls are provide structural support and protection, and it acts as a filtering mechanism. In this diagram, the green outline represents the cell wall. Chromosomes. Nuclear chromosomes in eukaryotes. Packaged by proteins into a condensed structure called chromatin and allows long DNA modules to fit into the cell nucleus. Nuclear chromosomes in chromatin consider form of DNA protein, else manage the long DNA stored into the nucleus. Plasmodesmata microscope channels between plant cells and it allows molecules to travel directly between cells. Plant cell structure. Each plant cell is surrounded by a cell wall, and the function of the cell wall is it allows small soluble proteins and other solute to pass through, and the functions of the plasmodesmata is it enables direct regulated intercellular transport of substance between cells. Cytoskeleton network of fibers composed of proteins within the cell cytoplasm. Function of the cytoskeleton is it gives the cell shape and mechanical resistance of deformation. It stabilizes entire tissue, allows cell migration, and it divides chromosomes during the cell division. And thank you for watching my video.